Welcome to our thought-provoking video where we delve into the intriguing concept of AI doctors and nurses. In this rapidly evolving digital age, advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, have sparked discussions about the potential integration.
Will AI replace doctors in the future? In the age of rapid technological advancements, a question looms large: will AI replace doctors in the future? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare, offering tools that improve diagnosis and patient care. But the essence of medicine involves empathy, understanding, and a human touch that machines cannot replicate. AI can analyze data faster than any human, yet the nuanced decision-making of doctors is irreplaceable. The ideal future sees AI as a partner, enhancing the abilities of medical professionals rather than replacing them. Doctors equipped with AI tools can provide more accurate treatments, personalized care, and better patient outcomes. As we navigate this new era, the blend of human compassion and AI's efficiency will define the future of healthcare. Exploring comfort levels with AI healthcare professionals. Imagine walking into a clinic and being greeted by an AI doctor or nurse. How would you feel in that moment? Technology has advanced, blending AI with healthcare. But does it match the warmth and understanding of human touch? AI in healthcare promises efficiency and accuracy. It could mean quicker diagnoses and tailored treatment plans for you. Yet, the thought of sharing personal health issues with AI might feel unsettling. Can machines truly empathize with human pain? Consider the accessibility AI healthcare offers. It could bridge gaps in remote areas, bringing specialist advice to your doorstep. But what about the trust and confidentiality we cherish in human interactions? Can an AI safeguard our personal health narratives? As we stand at this crossroad, it's crucial to weigh both sides. Would you embrace this innovation or tread cautiously?
Imagine a world where your doctor isn't limited by human constraints like fatigue, memory lapses, or bias. A world where your nurse is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without ever needing to take a break. This could be the future of healthcare, thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI. But is this future one we are ready to embrace? AI healthcare assistants come with a myriad of benefits. For starters, they offer incredible accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze a vast amount of data in seconds, spotting patterns and anomalies that a human doctor might miss. This means they could potentially diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately than their human counterparts. Moreover, AI healthcare assistants aren't bound by the same physical limitations as humans. They can work around the clock without needing rest, and they don't suffer from the cognitive fatigue that can sometimes lead to errors in human medical practice. This could result in more efficient healthcare delivery, with shorter waiting times for patients and faster diagnosis and treatment. However, the adoption of AI in healthcare is not without challenges. One of the most significant is the issue of trust. Would you trust an AI doctor to make critical health decisions for you, knowing that it lacks the human touch and empathy? It's a question that many people grapple with. Additionally, there are concerns about privacy and security. With AI systems handling sensitive patient data, there's a risk of data breaches and misuse of information, and while AI algorithms might be incredibly accurate, they are not infallible. There's always a chance of false positives or false negatives, which could have serious health implications. In summary, the future of healthcare could very well see AI doctors and nurses playing a significant role. The potential benefits are immense, with the promise of more accurate diagnoses, more efficient healthcare delivery, and round-the-clock availability. However, these benefits must be weighed against the challenges, including issues of trust, privacy, security, and the potential for errors. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to have conversations about these issues and work towards solutions that make the most of AI's potential while minimizing its risks. The future of healthcare is a fascinating topic, and it's one that we'll all have a stake in. So whether you're a healthcare professional or simply someone interested in the future of medicine, it's essential to stay informed and engaged. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in healthcare. We hope that it has provided you with some food for thought and sparked your curiosity about the possibilities that lie ahead in the world of medicine.
Human versus AI, who reigns supreme in healthcare? In a world teeming with technological advancements, a pivotal question arises: who truly reigns supreme in the hospital, human or AI? Imagine a scenario where every diagnosis is accurate and treatment plans are flawlessly executed. AI promises this precision, reducing errors to near zero. Contrastingly, the human touch in healthcare embodies empathy, understanding, and the ability to provide comfort in ways no machine can replicate. Moreover, healthcare professionals leverage their vast experience and intuition to make critical decisions, sometimes in situations where data is scarce. On the flip side, AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, offering insights that might take humans years to uncover. However, the essence of healthcare lies not only in curing but also in caring. And that's where humans have an irreplaceable role. Ultimately, the question isn't about who is better, but how we can harness both human compassion and AI's capabilities to revolutionize healthcare. Are you ready to trust your health to AI doctors and nurses? Imagine walking into a clinic and being greeted by an AI doctor or nurse. The future of healthcare is knocking. AI healthcare promises precision and efficiency. But does it match the warmth and empathy of human practitioners? Consider the benefits: AI doesn't tire, forget, or bias. It can analyze data and diagnose with unparalleled accuracy. Yet, questions linger. Can AI truly understand human pain and provide the comfort we seek in times of vulnerability? Imagine an AI nurse monitoring your health 24/7, offering instant advice. The convenience is undeniable, but is it enough? Human touch in healthcare is irreplaceable. Empathy, understanding, and emotional support are as crucial as clinical accuracy. In the end, the choice between AI and human healthcare providers might not be either/or, but how they can complement each other.